Experience Korea's bustling street food scene right in the middle of Capitol Hill in Seattle. This restaurant serves Korean comfort foods with a vibrant atmosphere and aesthetic. This chestnut makgeolli is the best drink I've ever had in my life, period. Nutty, creamy, and refreshing, I could have honestly drank the whole pitcher myself. It wouldn't be a Korean street food experience without kimbap and tteokbokki, and the ones here did not miss. The dish that stood out to me the most though was this mala stuffed rotisserie chicken. The flavor punches you in the mouth, and the different textures from the sticky rice, chicken, cilantro, and fried shallots make each bite unique. This is Golmak Market Bar, and make sure to follow for more food recs.